If you spend serious time at your desk, you already know the right gear can completely change how you work. A great workspace isn't just functional, it's a command center where every tool feels perfectly dialed in, and some of the gadgets out there right now are on another level. So if you're ready to upgrade your office and seriously streamline your workflow, here are some of the most innovative desk gadgets you need to see. For anyone looking to level up their setup, the Corsair Xeneon Edge is an ideal sidekick to your main monitor. Streamers, creators, and hardcore multitaskers all know how fast a primary screen gets overcrowded. The Xeneon Edge fixes that with a dedicated 14.5-inch touchscreen that blends seamlessly into your workspace. Its smartest trick is the flexible mounting system. Use the included desk stand or snap it straight onto your PC case using strong built-in magnets. Reviewers and users alike highlight its premium build quality and clean single-cable setup that handles both power and video, often calling it perfect for system monitoring or as a large, touch-enabled stream deck. A few users do mention occasional software hiccups, but most agree that while cheaper displays are out there, you're really paying for deep software integration that competitors simply can't match. Forget everything you think you know about portable power. The EcoFlow Rapid Pro separates itself with serious output and lightning-fast charging, built specifically for high-wattage gear. Packing a huge 27,000 mAh capacity, its high-power USB-C ports can charge a MacBook at the full 140-watt rate, which is a huge win for professionals on the move. It's definitely heavier than most power banks, but that extra weight delivers real performance. On Reddit, users are calling its 300-watt total output and rapid recharge speeds insane, making it ideal for travel or even running satellite internet while off-grid. For digital nomads and creators who refuse to stay tethered to a wall outlet, this is an absolute must-have tool. When it comes to content creation, clean audio is everything. The DJI Mic 3 packs professional-grade wireless sound into a surprisingly compact system. It delivers stable, high-quality audio straight to your camera or smartphone, recording 48 kHz, 24-bit lossless audio for crisp, detailed results. One of its biggest strengths is internal recording, which is a true safety net, now supporting 32-bit float recording as an upgrade from the Mic 2, making it nearly impossible to clip and giving you flexible raw files to work with in post. The Mic 3 pushes this even further with dual float recording, creating a distortion-free backup track automatically. Online discussions often come down to features versus pure sound quality. While some Reddit audiophiles say the high-end can sound a little sharp, most creators love the smart additions, like adaptive gain control and a dependable 1,300-foot wireless range. For the majority of creators, the blend of strong audio quality and intelligent features makes the DJI Mic 3 one of the most dependable compact wireless mic systems available. If you're juggling both a work laptop and a personal one, constantly unplugging and replugging cables can be a real pain. The iDock C20 aims to be the ultimate desk switch, merging a powerful KVM switch with a 12-in-1 docking station. It lets you run two separate computers using one keyboard, mouse, and set of peripherals. With a single button press, you can instantly swap your dual 4K monitors, keyboard, and mouse between both machines. Tech reviewers have applauded this all-in-one approach, with sites like The Gadget Flow calling it a huge win for hybrid workers. That said, there's an important caveat for Mac users frequently mentioned on Reddit. Since macOS doesn't support the multi-stream transport (MST) tech this dock relies on, you'll only get mirrored displays instead of two extended desktops. This limitation is a deal-breaker for many Mac users, but for PC users managing complex setups, the iDock C20 is an excellent all-in-one solution. This next one is basically a wish come true for DIY tech lovers. The ZimaBoard 2 is a compact, passively cooled single-board server that offers the expandability you'd expect from a full-size PC. Tech outlets like XDA developers have highlighted its sleek aluminum design and flexible x86 architecture, making it a great foundation for a Plex server, personal cloud, or even a custom router. One of its biggest highlights is the built-in PCIe 3.0 slot, which opens the door to serious upgrades like NVMe storage, or even 10 gigabit network cards. Over in HomeLab communities, users are already impressed with its potential, though some point out that the fixed 8 gigabytes of RAM could be restrictive for heavier virtualization. Still, for DIY server fans looking for a silent, power-efficient, and highly customizable platform, the ZimaBoard 2 stands out as a smart and affordable pick. In the creative world, time is everything. This setup acts as a true command center for your workflow. The Logitech MX Creative Console. It's a two-piece system made up of a keypad with customizable LCD display keys and a control pad featuring a high-precision aluminum dial and a smooth roller. The console intelligently adapts to whatever app you're using, giving you hands-on, tactile control over your tools. Pro Video Coalition praises its solid build quality and standout functionality, especially for Adobe applications. Users love how it compresses complex, multi-step actions into a single button press, though many note there's a learning curve when it comes to dialing in custom profiles for your exact workflow. Once everything is set up, it quickly becomes an essential tool for accelerating your creative process. To wrap things up, this might be the only charger you'll ever need to bring along. The Alogic 3-in-1 wireless charger stands out with its ultra-compact foldable design and support for the new Qi 2 charging standard. It delivers fast 15-watt wireless charging for your phone, along with dedicated spots for an Apple Watch and AirPods, all folding down neatly into a flat, travel-friendly form. What really sets it apart is the solid hinge and thoughtfully compact build. Users often praise it as a perfect travel companion and a great way to declutter a desk or nightstand. For Apple users, it's a smart, future-proof charging solution that fits just as well on a bedside table as it does in a travel bag. Few things ruin the flow of a big meeting faster than scrambling with cables and settings. The BenQ InstaShow is built to remove that mess completely. It's a true plug-and-play wireless presentation system that requires absolutely no software. Just plug the InstaShow button into any laptop, press it, and your screen is instantly mirrored on the main display. This hardware-only approach is exactly what many professionals have been asking for. No installs, no logins, no delays. That's the InstaShow in a nutshell. It delivers what TechRadar has praised as a smooth, lag-free experience designed for corporate environments. While it's definitely an investment, the reliability and effortless simplicity make it a top-tier choice for boardrooms where anyone needs to present without technical hiccups. Tablets are incredibly capable, but bulky stands often waste valuable desk space. The Kunyu wall mount magnetic stand flips that problem on its head. Using a strong magnetic mount and a fully articulated, multi-jointed arm, it turns your tablet into a flexible secondary display that fits almost any setup. Reviewers from sites like Apple Insider have called it Smart Connector charging a game changer. Removing the hassle of plugging in cables, your tablet begins charging the instant it snaps into place. While the charging speed is modest, it's enough to prevent battery drain during everyday use. The biggest debate online centers around its premium price, making it a high-end option for users who want their tablet seamlessly integrated into their space as a truly floating display. Want to add some real character to your workspace? The Divoom Times Frame is more than just a clock. It's a living pixel art display that mixes retro vibes with modern tech. Its biggest draw is customization. You can load it up with a massive collection of animations from its online community, instantly turning your desk into a one-of-a-kind art piece. It also works as a smart display, showing the time, weather, and upcoming calendar events. Reviewers like The Gadgeteer call it a playful desk accessory with a bright, colorful screen. Users online enjoy the retro-style control knobs, though many wish the software offered more transparency. Even with its simple 16:16 resolution, most agree its charm comes from that nostalgic simplicity, letting a little more of your personality shine through in your workspace. Get ready for a serious hit of nostalgia. The Wokies M5 faithfully captures the legendary look of the 1984 Apple Macintosh. But this isn't just a decorative piece, it's a genuinely useful desk companion. It pairs a solid Bluetooth speaker with a versatile 5.5-inch display that works as a clock, weather display, or pixel art screen. Tech sites like Apple Insider praise its mix of retro charm and real-world usefulness, calling it a fun desk accessory that also doubles as a handy secondary display for your Mac. User reviews highlight the premium build quality and the surprisingly practical 720p screen, ideal for quick-glance info like messages or music controls. While the base model's ports top out at 10 gigabits per second, it's still an affordable, charming way to boost your Mac Mini's connectivity and inject some personality into your setup. Step into the future of personal displays. The Mizu Star VView AR glasses create a massive private screen while still looking and feeling like everyday eyewear. Powered by micro-LED display technology, they deliver a sharp heads-up view for everything from turn-by-turn navigation to watching movies, simulating an enormous 188-inch screen. Early tech demos have wowed users with the display's brightness, contrast, and overall clarity. The biggest obstacle for international buyers, though, is that full activation may require a Chinese mobile number and companion app, making these glasses a niche but intriguing piece of technology best suited for early adopters. Stuck staring at a blank page? This might be the push you need. The FreeWrite Alpha is a dedicated, distraction-free writing device that pairs a mechanical keyboard with a non-glare e-ink display. There's no web browser, no notifications, just a setup writer's praise for enabling deep focus. Wired magazine rated it a 7 out of 10, applauding how satisfying it feels to write on, while pointing out the steep price. Some Reddit users echo that concern, saying the plastic body doesn't fully match its premium cost. Others mention the flat keycaps on a mechanical keyboard feel a bit unusual at first and take time to adjust to. It's built strictly for drafting, not intensive editing, but when it comes to getting words onto the page, it can be an incredibly valuable tool.